हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा इंग्लिश में जो टॉपिक रहेगा वो परफेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन करेगा। फर्स्टली तो जब हम इसी को बोलते हैं तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोनाउंसिएशन, प्रोनाउन की तरह, बट इट्स नॉट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, इट इज प्रोनंसिएशन। इट इज नॉट नाउन, इट इज प्रोनंसिएशन. Further, we have approximate 43 words which we will discuss with correct pronunciation. Firstly, it is the singular and this is the plural word of this word. Woman, man. This is the woman which we will speak always right. But it is the plural of the woman. It is spoken as women. Okay, not women. It's women. It's the pronunciation as given by Britisher in our in the English system, which we have to follow all the rules. So this is the woman, it's the women, not women, women. Okay, that was. Next word is the comfortable. Note, it's wrong. It is comfortable. R is silent here, completely silent here. R. Next word is the garbage, not garbage. It's the garbage. And there are the, I will show you the leave that kinds of two words. I will discuss later. This is the monk, not monk. Monk, तपस्वी को हम कह देते हैं monk. Monk. It's the dengue? No, it's not dengue. It's dengue. And always pronounce this word says, not says. It sage. What is this? Sage. Okay. Next word is the data. No, it's data. Okay, it's the data. The mobile data is finished. My data is not correct, which we use daily in our life. Data. And next, what is this? Breakfast? No, it is breakfast, not fast. Breakfast. Next one, after breakfast we like to eat something sweet. It is called dessert, not desert. Desert is Registan. Desert. It is the spelling desert. It is called the desert, but it is a dessert. हाँ, जब हम किसी को दबाते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ दबी हुई, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? buried. No, this is not buried, this is berry. ब्लैकबेरी जैसे हम बोलते हैं बैरी, तो इंग्लिश प्रोनाउंसिएशन में इसको बैरी बोला जाता है. बैरी है ना, बड़ी हैरानगी. तो हम बड़े अपने डेली लाइफ में बड़े गलत वर्ड बोलते हैं डेली लाइफ में, तो विच वी हैव टू करेक्ट. इट्स दैट डेब्री, नॉट डेब्रिस. डेब्री ओनली डेब्री. It's vehicle, not vehicle. Vehicle. It's, you must find surprise in this word also. It's not asthma. It is ajma. It's pronounced as ajma. It's very surprising to you. Next word is jewelry, not jewelry. Jewelry. It is also we pronounce jewel, not jewel. It's the jewel. That's kind of words make all of us, all of you, very surprising. This the onion? Not. We eat onion burger daily. We eat. Always you like to eat onion, not onion. O is pronounced as a onion. It's the onion. Next one, L is silent. Almond. In the next word, you must find another surprise. We always speak, we want coupon, but not coupon. Coupon. It's you have to pronounce this sound O. Coupon. Next word is tomorrow, not tomorrow. Tomorrow. You have to pronounce U. U here. Tomorrow. But the spelling has the O. Tomorrow. Pasta. Do you like it? Do you like it? Pasta. But it's not pasta. There is a little bit sound. Pasta. 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 Okay. Next one is the introduction. Introduction. O is cut here. Introduction. Okay. Now you can see the next word, forget. Not forget. Forget means the भूलना किसी चीज को. It's the forget. Forget. O is pronounced as a forget. Forget. It's the deodorant. You have to stress on that letter O. Deodorant. Deodorant, which makes you very good feeling. Okay, after using. It is the chaos. It is the very unpleasant condition. That word is used for the unpleasant condition. Chaos. Chaos. Ka. Ka. Here is the sound of the ka. Its next word is the hereditary. Hereditary क्या होता है? Hereditary is the study of the character transfer from one generation to the another. It's the branch of the genetics. Hereditary. Next word is electrician. It's wrong, but it is electrician. 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 Okay. This is not cian. This is shan. Next one, neglect. No, it is neglect. You have to pronounce e here. E. Neglect. Neglect. Next word is the demography. Demography. Demography is the study of population. It is called the demography. This word is used for the memory purpose in the computer. Cache. Cache. You are finding more surprising. Further also surprise here. It's the radar, not radar. It's radar. 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 It's the negotiate. That's the both are the same word. Neglect and the negotiate. This is the negotiate, not negotiate. This is the negotiate. Next word is the ambitious, not ambitious. It's the ambitious. Ambitious. Okay. Next word, automobile, not automobile. It's the automobile. 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 Next word is the capacity, not capacity. 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 It's the same. Here is the same. Age pronounced capacity. Next there the envelope. Envelope is the cover. The for letter envelope, which we use in our daily life. Envelope, not envelope. It's the envelope. Envelope. Next one, same. Facilitate. Facilitate. Okay. Facilitate, not facilitate. Facilitate. It's mustache. Mustache. It's the मुछें, जिसे हम कह देते हैं मुछें, मूछ, उसको कह देते हैं हम mustache. It's not banana. 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 Okay, you are getting, students? Next word is the preparation. 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 Okay, and how you will find, you will get all these words in your memory after repetition. Okay, now we conclude this chapter. Bye.